Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I've got the glove box which will not open. I just had it open, but I've read on a couple of forums they do say because it's linked to the central locking on the convertibles, you're probably better off changing it for one from a coupe, so it doesn't lock with the central locking as this one does. So we're going to try it. So let's lock the car. I don't know if you heard that little click. So there's a locking mechanism in there, so when you lock the vehicle it locks the glove box as well, and hopefully there you go, same little click again when you unlock the car. So if you put the key in the vertical position, that should be open. You should be able to open it there. But if you just turn it like 15 degrees and then with a little bit of persuasion using a plastic tool, so using one of these so you don't want to damage your glove box, try getting that in there to lever it. Now I did do it earlier, I had to put a bit of force in and it just sprung. Try turning the key a smidge more. Try two now. This one's a bit stronger. Definitely want to go central. There we go. So it did require a little bit of force, but we got it open. So I'm actually going to take this off because it's a pain. So we get that off and replace it with one that doesn't obviously lock with a central locking. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.